second example. Okay, so first example is all about what 8 members sitting around the circular table facing toward the center, and this example just regarding suppose 7 members. Okay, A B C D E F G up to G. 7 members are sitting around a circular table. All are facing outside, right? So facing outside. So how to arrange all the members depending upon the information. So for that you should draw the two diagrams. Okay, so diagram 1 and diagram 2. So very simple, you just take two diagram. Okay, and first of all try to put all the members 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, all are what facing outside. Okay, any doubt? 1 2 3 4, all are facing what? Outside. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, right? So we take two circles and try to arrange A to G all the members around the circular table, and those who are facing outside the circle, right? So come to the information. The first information is F is sitting third to the right of F. All members are facing outside of the circle, right? So F is sitting third to the right of E. So put E is here. If any member facing outside, so you take this point as the what reference point, so that easily you can determine which is the left and right side of the person, right? So 1 2 3. So F is here. So similarly E is here. 1 2 3. That means F is here. F is third to the right of E, right? So next another line is given. B is sitting fourth to the left of G, right? But this line is not linked with this one. Again I will repeat. I will tell you. That means what? B is fourth to the left of what? G, right? But it is not related to the first line, and then it is given that G is sitting immediate right of E. So G is immediate right of E, G is immediate right of E. Then back to the second line, so that B is fourth to the left of G, right? 1 2 3 4. So this is the position of B. Then 1 2 3 4. This is the position of what? B. Okay. So next line is given that C is fourth to the right of D, but D is not sitting immediate neighbor of F, right? So clearly this position is not sufficient, not suitable for the what? F. That means for D. Okay, F is here and it is not D, right? So then now there are two possibilities for the D. If D is here, if D is here, otherwise in the second diagram D is here, right? If you put D is here, 1 2 3 4. So C is putting here in place of F. Already it is the position of F. So this diagram is cancelled. If you put D is here, so obviously C is fourth to the right of D. That means you put C in place of what? F. So it is not possible. So therefore first diagram is cancelled. So come to the second one. If D is here, 1 2 3, so 4. So this is the position of what? C, and only one element is left, that is A. Position of A is here, right? So therefore this is your right diagram according to the information. Okay, so in this way we try to solve various questions related with the circular arrangement. Okay, so first of all keep in your mind, execute all the related lines. To avoid your confusion, you make two or more figures. Okay, properly decide the left and right side of the person depending upon the what? The facing direction, right? And read the questions properly. Okay, what is it is given in your paper, right? And conscious or focus on the confusing lines, immediate right or immediate left or immediate neighbor it is given, right? So this is all about what? And circular arrangement. So in the next class I will elaborately explain you other type of sitting arrangement, that means single line, parallel line, and square type of arrangement, etc. Okay, thank you all.